me, Kiana. Today's video, I thought I would throw it back to when I first started my YouTube page, when I really liked to do haul videos. I asked you guys a few days ago, would you rather see a foundation review or would you rather see a haul video? And an overwhelming amount of you voted for the haul video. And honestly, I was secretly hoping that you would say haul video. I just started thinking, I wonder how many pieces can I buy with this $50? Like, you ever feel like that? You get a gift card and it's almost like more sacred than money because you really want to spend it on something really, really good? Well, even if not, that was me the other day. So I'm walking through the mall and I'm not seeing anything that made me want to pull the gift card out of my pocket until I came upon Forever 21. And they had buy one, get one free. And I was like, oh, this is where she's going. So I want to show you guys the things that I got, and I'm glad that you did vote on this video because you know what? You know, Forever 21, when you buy one, get one free, things get gone real fast. So I want to give you an opportunity to purchase some of the things that I bought. Now, I just want to make this disclaimer. For those of you that are new to my channel, haul videos is not my ish. But because I do travel a lot, if you guys are interested in haul videos and you want me to start incorporating those types of videos even more on my channel for 2019, make sure you comment down below. Make sure you go to my Instagram. Let me know that you want to see those videos a little bit more often because I do have my travel schedule for 2019. And I honestly find that I spent a lot more money right before I traveled. Am I the only one? Am I the only one that thinks they never have anything in their closet? I mean, because that's totally me. Okay, with all that being said, I am a makeup artist. I typically show you makeup tips and techniques. I also like to wear wigs. If you haven't noticed, if you haven't been here before, you won't know this is not my hair. I also am taking you guys along with me for my natural hair care vlog. So make sure if you're interested in any of that, that you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click that post notification bell so you never miss another upload. Is anything else? No, let's go ahead and get into the haul. First off, because I know you guys that are not new to my channel are going to notice my aviator glasses. These are not obviously a part of the Forever 21 haul, but they are from Lens Crafters. I did go ahead and use the allotment on my insurance to get the Ray-Ban aviator glasses. These are prescription. I got the traditional gold frame because I am a traditional gold jewelry wearer. I'm obsessed with these. They are prescriptions. So I'm excited about these. I've gotten a lot of compliments on them already. You can still see my makeup. And honestly, oh my God, this makeup look with these glasses, sickening. So let's go ahead and start the little comments. Again, if you want to see this makeup look for glasses, let me know, sis. I got you. Let's go ahead and get into this goodie bag, okay? As you can see, I bought all of this myself. This is not sponsored. And let's see, my total came to $59.40. That's because of tax. I had a $50 gift card, which meant $9.60. First off, I have to show you guys this sweater. I am gagging over this sweater. I am obsessed with this type of burnt orange color, and anything black I'm a fan of. This sweater originally was $34.90. I got it for $19 and it was buy one get one free. I'm obsessed with this, although it's really big, oversized, just the way I like it. So you can almost get away with, you know, some pajama bottoms if you want to. Run out to the mailbox. I can go to one of my son's basketball games and not feel like I'm overdoing it. I love that it's loose. Yeah, it's a large, but I can see me tying this with a belt and kind of giving it that house robe situation. It's so comfy. It's so unbelievably soft, and I love that it comes all the way down. So even if I want to wear it with some leggings, I'm still kind of doing the most in it just because the color and the combination is, it's not your typical black and white, but it's got that real earthy vibe to it. Flintstones, meet the Flintstones. Next, staying in that same kind of warm tone hue, a nice cozy V-neck. You'll see that it's a little bit more elongated. It looks a little bit slimmer. It's a V-neck, and you'll see it was $22.90. I got it for $15, but it was buy one get one. It's called the shade Amber. It feels so soft, and this color, super pretty. Just on a solid note, Super big though. I'm telling that the way I'm just slipping into it. Love it. It's super cozy. It is a small, but it really is coming off really like a medium large. So I'm glad that I did get a small. I could have definitely not taken an extra small of this. It has a lot of blousiness, but again, this is one of those sweaters that I like to wear with a jean that's too tight. You can definitely see it with a legging as I'm traveling through the airport. Just comfy, cozy. I don't know, it's giving me a little extra boxiness here, but I could easily cinch it and belt it. Yep, that would be really, really cute. But as far as the comfort level, yep, just feels super duper soft. Also, the sweater that I'm wearing right now, I bought last fall. It's a beautiful crimson color. These sweaters wear very, very well, especially when you buy them a little bit more expensive in Forever 21. But I'm all about buy one, get one free, not buying it expensive, or at least getting it half. Next, let's move into this beautiful gray. Gray is typically not my color, although you always find tons and tons of gray sweaters left on the rounder. What I thought about this one was really, really cute. It's a little bit baggy, but I like that it's a V-neck, but it looks like it's going to tie on its own, which means I can put a cute little tank or a cute little cami. It's a lightweight sweater. It's perfect for this time of the year because obviously January is confused. It thinks it's spring, which means it's 70 degrees here in Georgia, and when I fly to LA, I think it's like 66 degrees. So there's no reason for me to have tons and tons of heavy sweaters. Plus, they also make my luggage super crazy heavy, and I'm always at the point of having to pay extra because it's over the 50-pound weight limit. So this is going to fit into my my travel bag. This one was $17.90 originally. They marked this one down to $12. So yeah, she's super duper cute. Again, another one that I can just kind of slip into, pull that all the way up. So if you already have your hair and makeup done, that's going to be phenomenal for that. Giving you the gray. Again, I can get away with this one and a legging. You can definitely see me running to my son's school or daughter's school in this one. Loose but still classic. I like the fold here. I love the detailing. I love that it's soft. I love that it has a little bit more warmth to it. I can kind of condition myself with it. I know I'll be wearing it with a tank underneath it. And yeah, love that classic gray vibe. Next, oh my god, I don't think I ever go in Forever 21 without finding a white, something white. I love white. But this one, I love. It gives me that cute crew neck look. And if anyone knows me, you know that I love a good off the shoulder moment. I love showing a little bit of flesh. Obviously, because typically I'm wearing a wig when I'm in convention hall. Like, I just started to get hot, okay? Like, I have my own personal summers. So this is perfect for me. I think I could definitely wear it with some jeans. I can see me with some black leggings. Yeah, I got a couple different outfits in mind. And with the weather being so frugal, having a little peekaboo skin moment, I'm in it. Oh my God, this is probably one of my favorites. This one is a beautiful, just pull over velour, or kind of like a Mr. Rogers neighborhood type velour sweater. Soft. This is the softest sweater that's in my collection right now. It was originally $24.90. It was on sale for $15. They call this citron. I would call it almost like a marigold color. When I say this is super soft, oh my God, probably my favorite thing. This is probably my favorite thing. Oh my God, this is for sure my favorite thing. So soft. And it's that color that I think just will transcend every season. I am obsessed. So soft. I love one that I can just kind of flip on. I can see me definitely with jeans. I can see me in all black with this. Even a white pair of pants. Oh yeah, this color is so mean. And it's so freaking soft. I wish you guys want to feel it. You want to feel it? So soft. I have 3 more things from Forever 21. This one again takes me back to early 80s. This really does remind me of like Flashdance. I love these type of what would you call them, almost like crocheted little sweaters. Best of all, this is a tank, So I can see me wearing this with like a t-shirt underneath it, or maybe even like a tight fitting turtleneck, and kind of giving this to add a little bit of zhuzh, because a lot of the turtlenecks that I like to wear are super fitted. But sometimes when I go to LA and I travel, I feel like I'm always bloated. So having a little blousiness around the waist area is going to keep me from having to cinch my waist. We throwing away the girdle in 2019. It was originally $14.90 on clearance for $9. I got it in a size medium and obsessed, because I'm just going to have to try these on. These so take me back to early 80s, 90s. They're a little bit loose. Well, it's a little bit loose, but I can mainly visualize me with this in a turtleneck. I like that it is loose though. I like that it's crocheted. It kind of has a little bit of that beachy vibe. I love that it's this cream color. I can totally see me in that. I could even do like a nude lace cami underneath here. Yep, love it. Why not just throw on the green? Ah, the green is even better than the white. Yeah, so I can still have that whole fall vibe situation. I really hate that they put those little hanger things on everything. Thing. Yeah, I love this color even better. It just goes. Right now it's kind of fall-ish, but it still has that casual vibe. I love that it's loose. I'm really loving this, but I'm really wanting to put this with a black turtleneck. Like, in my head, I need to go buy a black turtleneck and for sure cut these out. Lastly, from Forever 21, I got these jeans right here. So they remind me of the boyfriend jean. They have this ragged edge, which I think kind of looks like a classic bum. The size that I got was a size 28. I normally wear like a 26, 27. Who am I kidding? I normally am in a 27, but I probably should be in a 28. But these look like a little bit more of a baggier fit. They have a lot of stretch to them. I think these are going to be perfect for being on a plane, or maybe on like a Sunday when we're doing like a final day of the show and I have to run to the airport. Something comfy, still kind of classic, still kind of cute. They were $9, buy one get one free. I love the distressness. I'm super excited. Oh my God, like I don't think I have been in love with a pair of jeans so much since these from Forever 21. They are a little bit more loose, but that gives me room for all the Thanksgiving, Christmas decadence that I partake in. Of course my phone's gonna ring. I love the pockets, I love the stretch, and the distressing. Like, I can actually do some things in these. And let's do the foot test. They have that cute little bell situation. So yeah, that wraps up what I got from Forever 21. I've already told you I got all of that for $59.60. That was tax included, so score me. But of course, because I felt like I got such a steal at Forever 21 by having that gift card, I did run by my local TJ Maxx, because one of my favorite bloggers, SMLXO, she always does beautiful style videos, and her style to me is like me. Okay, so I'll leave her link in the description box, but she's the reason. Stephanie, you're the reason that I ended up in TJ Maxx, so my husband's not blaming me, he's blaming you. Feels better by saying that, but he's totally going to blame me. So I did pick up a little bit more of a transitional top. This one was in Marshall's. I love this army green color, and you'll see that it's a little bit longer. It has a little bit of that poetic style to it, a little bit flowy. Again, because when I travel, I feel like I bloat a lot, but I still want to look a little bit fancy. This one was on clearance. Oh my God, who is this brand? This brand is called Splendid. The size that I got was medium, only because they didn't have it in a small. It was originally $118. I got it on clearance for $12. Another one of those tops that after you have your hair and makeup done, you don't have to really pull over your head. Oh, I love this. I love that it's loose. I definitely could have taken this in a small, Yes, I do know that it's wrinkled, but you know what happens when you purchase something and they just throw it in the bag. But this is cute. I can see me tying this up a little bit. Oh yeah, now see, that's the type of bottom that I like. I like that type of bottom that I can kind of control how tight it is at the bottom, and I can kind of create like a little bit of a high-low. I love the pleats here, and I love even wearing it loose. Yeah, I love that. Then I found another clearance item steal. This was $4. Cute. I would probably have liked this a little bit more in a medium, but $4, I guess I will keep the small. Yeah, love that. I love that it's light enough, but it's got some movement with the stripes. It even goes really good with the brown hair. Everything goes great with the jeans. $4, girl, yeah. You can't leave that for someone else. $4, From TJ Maxx, I picked this color up. Now, I know she's regular price, she's $16.99, but this little bell moment right here and this little blousey situation right here, it just looks like a beautiful transitional color. And I was thinking about wearing that marigold sweater on top of it just to kind of make it a little bit more fall if I needed it to. But wait, y'all on gas, hey? Hang on, hold please. I had to stop into my favorite shoe store in Augusta, Georgia, Step Into Shoes. I know I've talked about them on my channel several times. Typically on my Instagram, if you see me wearing some fire shoes, they came in from Step Into Shoes, because I'm not one of those girls that can actually just order a shoe offline and feel comfortable that they're gonna come in and fit my feet. Like, I like to walk in, try them on, see if they're gonna rub one of them corns. If not, it's for me, which I don't have any corns on my feet, like, honestly. However, we don't want to create any either. Look, I know. January says it's winter, but the weather says, girl, you can wear whatever you want. These, you guys, he had on clearance for, ready for it, $14.99. The brand is called Chase and Chloe. He had them on clearance, but honey, when she puts on a cute little skinny jean with these, I mean, can you talk about matchy goals? The color on this is really cute. I am not feeling that it's so tight around the waist. I don't like that as much. Yeah, I just wish, I love the color. I'm not feeling this. I wish that this was just loose, or maybe that's not bad. What do you guys think? Maybe I'm just used to everything now starting to be a little bit more loose, but maybe this could be cute for like a date night or a luncheon or a brunch or something like that. I love the color. I'm just not as jazzed with this. Like, I spent way under $100 on everything you saw in this video. I mean, minus the glasses, we had insurance for that. Obviously minus the wig. Augusta Beauty Outlet sponsored the hair. So yeah, I spent way under $100, and that's all we have for this video. I'm hoping you guys enjoyed. What was your favorite piece that I showed you in this video? Are you going to be going to Forever 21 to kind of rack up on that buy one, get one free? You guys know I love to know. Comment down below. You guys also know I love to connect with you, so make sure you connect with me. Follow me on all my social media links and never miss another upload. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, click that bell and that post notification so you never miss another upload. Until next time, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hugs and kisses. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.